talking about leadership under an international context, what characteristics you think that a great leader should have?
It's about empathy, it's about being inclusive, it's about being curious. I mean, genuinely being interested in what do people think, how do people feel, what people expect from you, and what they desire.
I've seen the video from 3 years ago when you held a conference also at ESCP, and the theme was the Gigabit Society.
Yeah.
Could you please share with us the most up-to-date goals which Vodafone is promoting right now?
I think we are evolving the concept, because at the time we were talking about Gigabit Society and we were mainly thinking about the gigabit infrastructure being an enabler of the next wave, which would have been the digitalization.
Yes.
Now we're talking about 100% digital Vodafone. So talking about digital Vodafone, we're massively moving sales onto digital.
Yes.
We are massively moving all the touch points that we have in call centers through Toby, a virtual assistant, through AI-assisted type of interactions with our customers, as well as we are trying to move a lot of back-end processes leveraging robotization.
We all know technology and digitalization will be our future. So under these circumstances, what skills you think it will be the most crucial for a young graduate like me?
A lot of jobs that will be available 5 years from now are not existing today. You need to master a core skill, which is you need to be a self-adapting and fast learner. So fast learning is actually the best skill you should be investing on. I think the main engine and thruster of being a fast learner is curiosity.